Man, straighten the camera up, man. Stop acting like that.
What?
Straighten the camera up. Stop acting like that.
Start.
There you go.
Yeah. Yo, what's going on, guys? So super late intro in the day here, and we're actually at TNT Sacramento. Unfortunately, I didn't get my car done, so it's not out here, but we did bring Joe's car. We still have that like ECU wire gremlins where it shuts the car off, and so far we haven't ran a personal best yet, but Carlene got here first than me, and before I even got here, the guy wanted to grenade his transmission, so yeah. No. He messed it up there, but he grenaded it here.
You got a good view of it.
Oh, I can see it right here. Look at this. Bro. Joaquim's out here as well too with the other hatch, right? I've never even showed the first one. I've shown it a few times at the Mexico runs, but not this one. And he just did a 10.8, broke that 10.9 curse, you know what I'm saying? And lucky he was able to race because I brought my fire jacket. And then when he went 10.8, they kicked him out for no 5-point harness. Hey, this car is a stock straight H turbo, and it just went 10s 3 times today. Yeah, congrats, bro. Hell yeah. But Carlene, on the other hand, I don't know what to say, bro. You got 10 pieces. So on Joe's car, we have the issue with like a wire touching or something shorting out the car when he's, you know, going down the track or whatever. And a minute ago, when I shook this bunch of wires, the car would shut off or bog down. And then it wouldn't do it anymore. Once we got the car to turn back on, we shook something over here and the car would shut off. So really don't know where the issue is at. The reason why the wiring is like this is because this car is an emission car, and to pass the bar station out here in California, we have to eliminate the jumper harness and do a hard wire to OBD1 because we barred it as an OBD1 car. And the person who did the job did this. So the only way to really fix all of this mess is to individually go through every single wire and pin it for pin to ensure everything is going to the correct spot, which I'm sure it is because it passed smog no problem. But obviously every time Joe gets to the line, this problem occurs. Now we can't seem to get it to kill the car right now, so I don't know. Carlene is loaded up, Joaquim is loaded up, and we drove pretty far to only make 2 passes that weren't a solid pass. I don't know, Phil, you didn't want to just line it up one more time?
I think you need to line it up.
We've been sitting here for about 10 minutes now trying to find this problem, and it's not surfacing.
Well, let's see if we can make it.
I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna try to get back in line before we get out of here.
Yep.
So. $13.8. Okay. Alright guys, so I just did the last pass. We are done for the day. They closed the lanes down already, and I did a 13.8. But I picked up 8 more miles an hour than Joe did on his 13.8 pass. But mind you guys, the car's best pass is a 13.6, you said?
13.6?
Yeah, the car did a 13.6 at the last event. So this car's got more in it, and what we found out today, this is more of a testing for us. The 23s are too big for the horsepower he made, but we only have 23s. This car is more suitable for 22s, and we bogged off the line each time super hard first gear, and it's all testing, guys, you know what I mean? But we're not far off, so we're close to what we did before with the intermediate problem with the wiring. But we're gonna go ahead and put everything back onto the car, and
We can still drive it home.
we can still drive it home. We're gonna drive it home. So damn, all about that camber life, bro. Shoot.
JDM, yo.
JDM, yo. So guys, we're out here at the gas station about to head home, and we noticed that there was a giant coolant leak under the car, and we just found out where it's coming from. Right here on the radiator. Ugh. Right here on the radiator, the vibration destroyed those fins right there. Let's focus.
Get out of your light.
Oh no, you gave me the light, now I can't see anything. Ah, there it is. Right there, look at that. Destroyed. But you know, I always carry stuff like these with my bag, and
What don't you carry?
my gun.
Oh, no, you carry that too?
No. Shh. So we're gonna try to figure out something with this real quick. Probably let it drain out until it's like clear right there. You said you have brake cleaner?
Yeah.
See, you got brake cleaner, and we're gonna just glob a whole bunch of this on there, fill it up with water, and hopefully we'll make it home cool, because we have 120 miles home, so it's pretty far out.